Hii ndi wa politicians huanza hivi wakiona microphone. Ni kama vile nilisema. If those words, the things they said, that was not me. Who reported this meeting? That's what happens. That's how politicians begin their career. Okay, great. First of all, welcome to Churchil Kids Nation. It's all about fun. Churchil Kids are all about fun for the entire family. Now, this idea didn't start yesterday. It's over 10 years ago. So ilikuwa inaitwa Kids Festival. I'm sure most of the parents wale watawatching, they remember the Kids Festival at Carnival, Nyayo Stadium. And it was very, very successful. Actually, the reason we are back is parents have been asking what happened. Where is that event that brings us together as a family? And so what happened with the Kids Festival, unajua Kenya pia watu wana talent. So I see a lot of Kids Festival everywhere. So ikakuwa replicated so many places. So we decided to rebrand it. This is the first time we're coming back after COVID to it a Churchil Kids Nation. So it's a Churchil which has so many aspects in it, like you'll experience on Saturday, 12th of August at Uhuru Gardens. So kueleza tu what will be involved. For instance, hii haitakuja ku bouncy castle na go, no. We have some villages, 4 villages. We have the smart village. It's all about computers, mambo ya tech, coding. That's a smart village. Then we have the green village. Green village is about environment, mambo ya climatic change. And of course, we have our partners, KEFRIS, Kenya Forest Research Institute. They'll be handling that. And of course, good friends from Green Africa. It's one department that I'm so keen. The idea of this year is Churchil Goes Green. And we want to go big, just like as the president has insisted and has always encouraged us to plant trees. We are part of that. Then we have the creative village. Hiyo ni mambo ya kuchora, nini, everything to do with art. That's where it will be happening for our children. And then, of course, we'll have the fun village. The fun village, the bouncy castle. We have the roller coasters. Lots of games, over 20 games, and the good news is all those games are absolutely free. Once you get your ticket, you come in. First of all, watoto wote wanatoshana. That's the beauty about the Churchil Kids Festival. We want wakuwe na usawa. Muhindi, Mzungu, Mjaluo, Mkamba. For once, we are one. And then, of course, we have the parents' zone. And so many exhibitors who have come in this time round. So we're excited about Saturday. The setup started yesterday, Sunday. So it's a whole week setup. It's a whole village. We're creating an experience. It's not an event, it's an experience.
And what strategy did you use to choose the creative that will be performing at Churchil Kids?
No, there's a director who's in charge of that. Mostly it's their school pieces. We have children who will be performing. Most of them, it's their day. And of course, we have our artist, Jabidi, Timeless Noel. We have my good friend, Eric Omondi. And who am I forgetting? Some other surprises. Eh? Didi Man, yeah. And Bundi, yeah.
The colors, they are very sparkling.
Yes.
Inspired.
All right. The colors, it's a very simple. This logo has really been thought through, yeah? The red one is for love, eh? The sea, where the sea is love. And so we'll do a lot of stuff with that. And the H is for fun, that bright color. The green one on O is for the environment. Na hiyo ingine ni mambo ya maji, climatic. And basically it's all about fun. When you see that logo, which you'll see for a couple of times, moving forward, you should see fun. Churchil represents fun. It's a fun nation.
Previously, for this festival, maybe I remember really well we had Milo inside it. Right now you have many investors, or it's you and
we have so many sponsors that I'm so glad they've come to join us, from Safaricom to KEFRI to over 20 sponsors and partners. It's interesting because they've all come just in the last couple of weeks. And so we want to start the December one in time because they're all fighting to be title sponsors. So, but to start with, we have over 20 exhibitors for this one. I'll be sharing with you the details of what they'll be doing and the experience they'll be bringing to the ground, including Safaricom. We want to create a whole experience around it. And who was Pembe Flow, who have, I cannot announce here what they want to do, but I think it's something big for Pembe Flour Mills. Sitaki watu nikisema hiyo watu watalipa tu tikiti kuja hapo mambo ya unga. So
of course, Churchil.
And all this.
We understand you have vision towards what you're doing right now. Do you have plans of maybe taking these Churchil kids outside Kenya?
Yeah.
Because I was going through comment section, so many people from outside were requesting if you can take it outside Kenya.
Yeah. And it's good. I've seen my good friends from Tanzania, IOTV. Yeah, the reality of the matter, Churchil, the brand, is an African brand. We'll be going to Uganda and Tanzania and Rwanda with this concept because itakuwa 2 games too. Tunasema if this time we are doing going green, we are going green everywhere. We are doing a million kids, not just the kids who show up at the venue. And then if we are going reading, which I'm big in reading, have my book that I'll be launching next month. It's called Churchil Goes Green, and you're all invited. So in line with what our president is encouraging us to do. So yes, we'll travel and also see if we can export it. We have interest in the US. We spoke to ambassador to Kenya in Washington, and they are keen on having this for the Kenyan families and African families in the diaspora. So we're just beginning. Actually, I was telling my team, for this event, we're actually launching the logo. It's like we're just launching a whole program with it. Then the rest will follow. From next year, now we'll be giving specifically. This time we are dealing with this theme, and so on as we grow.
How are we doing for Facebook? Because I remember, of course, Kids Festival, you were going to school and doing all that. So after the event, do you plan to go to school and do that?
Yes, we are working with the Ministry of Education and the government. The idea actually is to have Churchil clubs in all schools. Because when you talk about CBC and you're talking about creative, what are you talking about? And that's where we come in. So we bring our 25 years of experience, and we see we can have special events and festivals for Churchil. And where do we take the talent? You see, after the talents in school have performed, now wakaenda State House, then what happens? So we need to have a place where we can incubate them.
Na si mara ya kwanza ambapo sherehe hii imefanyika. Ila ni ladha ipi ambayo itaongeza kwa Churchil ambayo tulipompea Churchil pia tulikompea Kids Festival.
Asante kwanza kwa swali hilo na Kiswahili. Naam, tofauti ya sasa hii ni sherehe ya manu. Tofauti ya this event, tamasha hii. Tamasha, asante sana. Tofauti ya tamasha hili na yale tumeweza kufanya mbeleni, kama nilivyotangulia kusema, ni kwamba sio kuja tu kucheza na kula na kwenda nyumbani, lakini kuna mengi sana ya kujifunza. Tukianza mambo ya teknolojia, tutakuwa na smart village, mambo ya mazingara, hiyo green village, alafu pia mambo mengi sana ambayo yatakuwa pale kwenye zile villages ambazo tumetengeneza, miji ambazo zitakuwa pale. Tofauti na awali, hatukuwa na zile maeneo tofauti ambayo tuko specific, ni elimu tunajifunza haya. Hiyo ndio tofauti kubwa sana. Alafu tofauti nyingine, tamasha la Jumamosi hii haisukumwi sana na waigizaji na superstars sana. Most importantly is a theme, ni theme. Theme ni nini? Is a theme. Mada ndio inatupeleka mbele zaidi. Hayo mengine ya tamasha yatafuata tu baadaye, lakini wacha watoto na wale ambao wote watajumuika wawe na kitu ambacho wanaweza enda nacho nyumbani, kitu ambacho tunaweza fuatilia. Mtoto aweza anza kujifunza mambo ya kuweka pesa, savings. Waweza kufunzwa mambo ya kupanda mti. Kuna tofauti ya kupanda mti na kutunza mti. So zaidi sana hayo ndio tunataka kukariri siku ya Jumamosi. Nikiendelea na hiyo Kiswahili hapo utanirokota.
Now, I saw on TikTok,
yes.
Kuna a lady who shared a video of herself akiwa in primary school, and now she's grown.
Yeah.
How does it feel to inspire people from when they are young to when they are already grown? How does that make you feel?
Yeah, those are some of the things that keep us moving. Yeah. Manake we come to this world to make impact. And the greatest thing you can ever leave is not your big screen television or your car. It's the impact you leave to people. I still remember watu ambao we met when I did the play Siku Njema in 1999. And now they are, you can imagine how many years those are. Say, the way you did the play, you reminded me, and I could see you when I was answering the questions, and you made me get, you helped me get this in my exam. So it's interesting, and hiyo inanipa moyo tu kuendelea kufanya yale ambayo nimejaliwa ya Mwenyezi Mungu kuyafanya. Siku yangu ikifika, basi mtakuwa mnasema huyu bwana alijaribu. That's the most important thing.
My name is Shiko.
Yes, Shiko.
Now in Churchil,
Yeah.
of course you understand schools, most schools are closing this week. We want to know how occasionally we have events. And number two, we talked about the parent zone. What should we expect? Rather, what should parents expect?
Okay, great. So this event will be happening every school holiday, normally the first week. And then for the parent zone, we have comedy, we have talks from our sponsors, and of course lots of entertainment all around in the big dome. Yeah.
Probably how much is the ticket?
Tickets ni shilingi 500, 500 only. That caters for your entrance, and of course all those entertainment that's happening there is absolutely free.
How can we get them?
The tickets are at Naivas supermarkets, all Naivas supermarkets in Nairobi, and of course you can dial star 826 star 7 hash. You can get your ticket there. I'm a little cab. They have little events up. You'll get the tickets there.